Don't you just love when things come together? Cats and dogs, cats and dogs. But cats and alicorns? I like the sound of it because I have a cat and a unicorn morphed together. I'm an alicorn. Alicorn is a unicorn with wings. So today we have a thing called Bubbleezz. So hey guys, it's Addison. Today we have a thing called Bubbleezz. Bubbleezz. Oops. And this is my bubbly that I got. And let me tell you something. I actually got an ultra rare on my first Bubbleezz ever.
I think it's just a rare.
And it's made by Orb. And I can tell probably because there's actually orbies inside of it. It's pink.
Orbies.
Orbies. And then there's charms inside of it.
It says, find out what each charm tells you about your Bubbleezz. Free downloadable collector's guide. Look for the Bubbleezz VIB. But I looked for it. I could not find anything about the charms. Only the actual Bubbleezz themselves. I don't see anything about VIB.
And I have a jumbo.
So, it like hers is right here.
I have a jumbo. Can I?
And it says, it has the charms underneath it.
Name.
But the charms are actually a different color than what hers are. And it says she's rare, Purricorn from Whisker Galaxy. But it doesn't say anything about the charm.
I'm going to squish it around and then make boop. There's a rainbow right there, that blue thing. Got
What's
it?
that?
These are 2 yellow stars. Simon Snowbeast is green and not white.
I can't hold it.
I can't find it anywhere. Wait a second. Oh, that was just the rainbow. I can't find it. Where?
It's in here somewhere, I promise you. Oh, wait. Oh, that's a rainbow again.
So, this is Ula Purricorn. One of the rare Purricorns from Whisker Galaxy. Ula is an expert in spinning yarns and magic wishes.
She got glitter stuck to her. I can't find it either.
It's purple diamond.
Wait, stay still. Found the purple diamond. And the unicorn and the... Not purple diamond, the rainbow, and double stars.
These are the ones to collect. Look at Simon Snowbeast. He's the green guy.
I like... Where was it? I like the jellyfish.
Oh yeah, I want the jellyfish.
I like... Where is it? Oh, this one. Bubblecorn. They're all cute, though.
Yeah.
And, oh, look at the puppy!
There's a puppy.
Piper puppy fly. That's the cutest one, I think.
Can I like, I also like the puppy. Oh wait, can I find the I like Kiki Merkitty. Kiki Merkitty.
Where?
This is first.
Oh, it looks like,
let me get her. Splash Meow Maid.
The one that Addie has is a jumbo. And they come with 3 charms. And the ones, there's also a super size and they only come with 1 charm, it looks like.
I found another cute one. It's Nina Narwhal. Can I read what it says under her?
Mm-hmm.
Nina enjoys swimming, fishing, and hugs. While lots of Bubbleezz are smart, Nina is surely the sharpest in the sea. Does that mean like the smartest?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. They're all so cute.
We found it at Walmart for
Puppy fly.
$6 or so? $6 or $7. Not too bad.
Jenny Jelly Bear. Jenny likes fishing, honey, and is positively beautiful. I like how they spell positively. They spell it P-A-W.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. This sometimes makes her friends a little jelly because she's a Jenny Jelly Bear. I think this is adorable. I love the little unicorn horn. I love the little wings. They're so cute. And these charms are amazing. Then there's charms. It's really cool. Tell me what you think, guys. Oh my god. Wait, is this hair?
I don't know. I guess so.
Why is there writing on your hand? You have to remember something?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please click and subscribe. In the comments below, tell me, what is your opinion about this? How do you like it? On a scale of 1 to 10, I like it 1,000,000. It's super cute and adorable.